Located just steps from Playa del Carmen's vibrant Fifth Avenue, this space serves as a portal to the living history of Cacao, one of the Riviera Maya's best-kept gems. Stepping through its doors means leaving the bustle behind and entering a world rich in history and aroma. The journey begins with our roots. Through an immersive atmosphere and pre-Hispanic music, we discover how the ancient Maya cultivated cacao, honoring it as a sacred currency and a gift from the gods. What truly sets ChocoStory apart is its interactivity. With the press of a button, visitors can choose their language and let light and sound guide them through the maps and routes that carried this Mexican treasure across the world. Cacao was a central element in Mesoamerican funerary practices. It was offered to the deceased as sacred food, meant to accompany them on their journey to the afterlife. In certain sacrifices, the ancient Maya mixed cacao with the blood of prisoners. They believed that drinking this mixture allowed them to absorb the prisoner's strength and vital energy. On this tour, we explore key moments in Mexico's history, from the Spanish conquest to the challenges of connecting with the country's native communities. We also learn how convents became cultural hubs, where nuns combined indigenous ingredients with Spanish traditions to create iconic dishes like mole. This rich culinary fusion not only gave birth to new flavors, but also left a lasting cultural impact that continues to shape Mexican cuisine today. After the Spanish conquest, cacao was brought to Europe, where it quickly became a luxury product among the elite. Europeans adapted it into sweetened drinks, creating various styles and vessels, from ornate chocolate cups to elegant porcelain mugs, each reflecting status and taste. In countries like France, cacao not only became a fashionable beverage, but also influenced culinary traditions, inspiring desserts, pastries, and the sophisticated chocolate culture we know today. At ChocoStory Museum in Playa del Carmen, visitors can explore the fascinating journey of cacao from tree to table. The museum showcases the different varieties of cacao and explains the origins of the cacao tree and its global expansion. Guests also learn about the detailed processes of fermentation, drying, and roasting, and how these transform a single cacao bean into the chocolate products we enjoy today. It's a unique opportunity to understand both the cultural and scientific story behind one of the world's most beloved foods. One of the most exciting aspects of this museum is the hands-on workshops. For a modest fee of around $35 you can join a chocolate-making class where you'll create your own cacao, grind it, and taste different versions. Believe me, your perspective on chocolate will never be the same after making your own chocolate bar. Plus, you can take your creation home as a delicious souvenir. In short, ChocoStory is a must-visit experience for all lovers of culture and chocolate in Playa del Carmen. The museum is open every day from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., with general admission around $12 US. It's truly one of the best things to do when visiting this beautiful destination. We hope you enjoyed the video. Follow us for more tips on the most interesting spots in Playa del Carmen. Until the next time.
ChocoStory abre el tiempo en la tierra y la memoria. El cacao vive en la historia como un regalo eterno. Desde antiguos caminos nació su valor sagrado. No fue solo sabor, fue cultura en nuestras manos.
Chocolate,
Chocolate,
regalo divino.
Cacao, raíz del tiempo. Cacao, memoria y voz. Vive en la tierra y la historia. Vive en ChocoStory hoy.
Cacao,
aroma antiguo.
Cacao,
presente y ayer. Une el pasado y el ahora en cada forma de ser. Mayas y aztecas lo honraron como parte de su visión. En ritual y tradición el cacao los acompañó. Fue camino compartido, vida diaria y celebración. Un símbolo que cruzó el tiempo sin perder su corazón. Chocolate,
memoria ancestral.
cacao, raíz del tiempo. Cacao, memoria y voz. Vive en la tierra y la historia. Vive en ChocoStory. El tiempo cambió su forma, pero el cacao quedó, uniendo pasado y presente en una sola canción.
Cacao,